Climb aboard Reading and Northern locomotive number 425 as she thunders through eastern Pennsylvania. Sound and Fury covers 2 weekends of excursions in the fall of 2014. We'll start with a brief look at the Schuylkill Haven Borough Day celebration on Saturday, September 27th. Then we'll follow 425 as she pulls the Greater Pittston Charity Ride on Sunday the 28th, an all-day trip over the former Lehigh Valley Main Line. Finally, this program concludes with coverage of the annual Autumn Leap excursions on October 11th and 12th, as 425 pulls 2 spectacular trips from Port Clinton to Jim Thorpe. Reading and Northern 425, Sound and Fury, available on DVD and Blu-ray at SteamTrainVideos.com.